because of our family situation, we do live life differently. For this month of April, which is also Autism Awareness Month, I wanted to do a video just showing things that my two autistic boys are learning. They haven't got, one has got some of the stuff down, the other one hasn't. Since there's no school, well, there hasn't been any school since March 13th. Now it's April 16th. So it's been just a little over a month since the schools were shut down or were closed due to the pandemic. So I put a few clips of some of the things that we're learning, and probably a month or so from now, I will redo another video to show how far they have come. Does that make sense? So we are hoping, I am hoping, that this way I know their learning skills. Just to tell you a little bit what they, that we have, I have worked on them, worked with them on, or teaching them. It's with Enzyme, he struggles a lot. He does struggle a lot. Trying to get him to make scrambled eggs, which he likes scrambled eggs. It's been a struggle. He's gotten better, but we're going a little over a week since we've started. Enzyme! Daddy! Enzyme! Come on. That was an earthquake. That was an earthquake. Now, you just caught that me screaming. And that was, oh my gosh, that was scary. I don't know how, oh my gosh, that was scary. Oh my baby. You have witnessed an earthquake. I do not know if you heard that, but me, I thought Enzyme was on the bottom floor of the house. Oh, that scared me. Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, you just heard that. Okay. So, you want to see what Utah looks like? Well, Utah, West Valley. This is the area. I live not too far from here. I'm at the West Valley Central Station for the tracks. Those apartments over there, the ones right there, tried to get into those. Well, not tried, but wanted to get in there. If, depending on our situation right now. Yep. And it's about $1,700, almost $1,800 for those apartments. Yep, things are pricey here in Utah. And then, see, all this used to be just a parking lot. Well, it was an empty field first for a long time, but I think these are apartments also. Not sure. They haven't opened this one yet. I think they're still under construction. That is the new police station right here. This is the courthouse. It is an old building. Courthouse is the oldest one. Well, there was something else there, but right in front of that is the where Zions Bank used to be at. But I think they removed it. And then that tall building, I think it's an office building. I am not sure. And I don't think it's done too. It's still under construction. And then right here, this building right there, that used to be the police station. It's the courthouse, and well, not the courthouse, all the city office for the city department, or West Valley City building. That's what it's called. Yeah, for all the city business, and that's where the mayor's office is at, and everything else, like whatchamacallit, where you get your business license and stuff like that. But this is where the tracks come in. I'm waiting for my daughter. It's really nice. They really cleaned it up. Oh, here comes the tracks. Grateful for the tracks. She's coming from Murray. She's on her way to work. But earlier today, like not even an hour ago, we had an earthquake. So I will be releasing that video. That was just a funny video. I had to share it on Facebook. It was for YouTube though. It was originally for YouTube. But yeah. So here, this is. Edison said, where are we going, Edison?
Home Depot.
We're going to Home Depot, and we're going to Army Surplus. Okay, I'm going to tell you why we're going to Army Surplus. We've been having a lot of earthquakes, but we don't have 72-hour kits. I'm not going to lie. We do have the stuff that goes in the bags, but we just don't have the bags. So we're going to go check at Army Surplus. So I think this is an essential trip, or a needed trip.
A fun trip.
There's no fun trip. So that's why we're making this trip today.
Oh, that's good.
We have to, because I've been looking for backpacks, and the ones that I've seen are just way too small. You can't barely fit anything in it. You can barely fit anything in. And so that's where we're heading. Considering this is a busy road. This one.
The time. That's why.
No, it's still busy in the morning. I'm the one that goes shopping at the Simon. It's pretty bad. But we're gonna go to Taylorsville. This is where the Army Surplus store is at, and hopefully they have the kind I'm looking for. At least buy two. We had a blue one, but I do not know where the blue one went. But that was heavy by itself, though. Yeah. It was. So right here, I'm gonna come to this place right here. This is where the food bank is at. Look, that's the food bank. Thursday. I used to go there just to see what I can get and try to help out our families, grab stuff. But they were giving me stuff that I can't use. I mean, I don't use, right? Okay, the Maverick Center, you know, this is the Maverick Center right here. This is where both my boys had their graduations, huh, Edison?
Yeah.
For their high school.
Yeah. I watch both families next time.
We're still in West Valley. Watch the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. We used to play volleyball a lot over here at that church, that chapel. And then they decided to move. And it did rain a little earlier.
Hey.
Oh, I guess we will head back to get my daughter. She's not feeling good. Okay. stores right there. One of my favorite stores. They're doing road construction.
Asia Palace.
Where? Oh, Asian Palace. This place right there,
What about
the
it?
Spanish, they have some good tacos, and there's Hawaiian hut. See, look, the roads are pretty empty. And I don't know where the news people say that no one's staying home. Our family, we're usually on the road because I'm either taking Charity to work or bringing her home. But we do need to go get those backpacks, so got no other way, just in case we have to go. And I'm gonna work on those today, and then I will also show you what's gonna go on those backpacks that I got stuff for. This is our second attempt to go to Navy surplus store.
I thought we were going to Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that.
Oh, we need to go find the bags first. Or whatever. Okay, Home Depot or Lowe's. So, okay, we have to get a ladder because we need to fix a light at our house. And my brother's going to come over this weekend to fix it. And I'm supposed to...
Which light are you talking about?
The light right in front. And then...
In the front? That does not need a ladder. So I can stand there and get it done.
to fix the thing, to push it in, the light is about to fall apart.
Oh, that light inside the house. Okay.
Yeah. So we're looking for a ladder. We're thinking about buying a Little Giant ladder. So, yeah. We were on our way to the Army surplus earlier. Then we got a call. I had to pick up my daughter from work because she was not feeling good. She went to work not feeling good. She just had a stomach problem. So I guess they sent her home. Yeah, and then we had a video call earlier for Ensign and Edison from the school. First video call since the school closed down. And so that's an update on that. They were so excited though. You know, they were so excited to see their teachers and their friends on that video call. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, it was. Because at first, for the first half hour of the meeting, well, I tried for more than an hour, tried to get in, but I couldn't log in. And I can see that they were so sad because that I couldn't get in. But I got in. Yep. And we are now heading to Lowe's first. So we are still here in West Valley.
You notice the way that they do
The what?
the food bank thingy over there? They
Oh.
open cars.
That's good though.
Yeah, with social distancing.
Oh wow. That's smart.
Yeah.
Very smart. Dang, I can't believe it. Vasa. There are two Vasa here in West Valley. And the parking lot so empty.
None of the gyms are open yet. Huh?
Yeah. But look. We are...
Oh, they do.
Look at that. They moved the light post from here to back there. Well, there's a highway just like...
Not too far from
yeah, probably how many? Not too far from here. It's called, what's it called again?
I forgot.
Oh gosh. Something Mountain View. Mountain View
Maybe.
Highway? Or something View Highway. Nah. Why do you like Utah, Eddie? Other than family being here.
That's about it.
I like Utah because it's clean. I just like Utah. I don't know why. Because is that another school? Wow. Or is that? Oh yeah, it is a school. It's a new school.
The charter's going.
Yeah. Is it? We are heading to Lowe's. See, there's Smith right here. There are actually a lot of cars in the parking lot, a lot more than before. And no one's wearing masks. What is up with that? There's Smith right there. But we really need to fix that light before it falls on somebody's head. Oh, see, this girl's smart. She's wearing a mask. And she is oh, it's the delivery people, huh? She's a Smith's worker. See? Look at that. I know, I have to go shopping probably either next week or the week after. No, I think that, because our freezer's pretty full still, so we're okay. Us frugal people have decided that we're just gonna borrow Soa's, our sister's ladder, right? That's what we're deciding.
These are no names.
Oh, okay. We are now heading to Home Depot because we decided that we're just gonna borrow a ladder from a member of our family, and yeah, because we need a, what's it called? Weed eater?
Yep.
Yeah.
A real weed eater.
We need to buy a real one. We had two. They're both busted, and the road, man, it's bad. Yeah, see? We're still in West Valley. There's a Home Depot here in West Valley. Is it West Valley or Kearns?
West Valley.
It's in West Valley.
It's not 48 west.
And 40, about 47 south. Ooh. Oh wow, it's a Chevron now.
What was that? What is it?
They tore down that. Oh. I thought they
It's
tore
always been
down the
Chevron.
building. They didn't tear down no building. This is 41, right?
This is 4800 west.
And 41.
On
Oh,
south.
there's that chapel for Volta, huh?
Volta.
I thought we were on, what did I think? 4,000 west right now. We are now at Home Depot. I was just telling Eddie about this place, Sonic. A lot of times we come over there and we don't want to pay the price. We're so cheap. My sister has taken me there a few times though. But that's because she offered to pay for it. We are here to good old Home Depot. Home Depot does social distancing. What? Oh, we need the light. There's a line. I know they're cheaper here. Ah, hello. Those guys are so sweet. They wanted to be on the camera. Well, you gotta enjoy it. Enjoy it while you can. Ooh, or did we buy from Home Depot? Just take those bottles of water out or something like that. Bought 2 aloe plants. I'm gonna try planting them. Well, they're indoor plants. So, and turf builder and this thing right here. Weed eater. Cost $160. Oh no, that was the total, right?
Something like that.
So that was the total shopping, 160 something. I always forget that there's a button to this car. I know we both have to carry our keys. But oh wow. Hi guys. Oh my gosh, look at my hair. But we had an earthquake this morning around 7:41. We got hit by 4.2 magnitude of earthquake. The epicenter is not too far from my house. It's a couple miles. So laugh or whatever. But I was telling my husband this morning, there's just way too many earthquakes. We've had since May 18th, which was the first earthquake, okay? I've lived in Utah since 91. And that's about, what, 30 years? And we've never had an earthquake until March 18th. We had a 5.7. But for some reason, I feel like it's not going to go away anytime soon. So I've decided that the best thing to do is start on my 72-hour kit, or do it. Okay. I'm going to show you what pile I have to work with, okay? Pile that I'm working with, okay? I'll show you really quick. Cough drops. To have lotion. Okay, one child has to have lotion, so put lotion in his bag. Soap. Okay, to have soap. After Band-Aids, I have like all different size Band-Aids, okay? These are the same size. I just didn't have enough of these, okay? The thing about Band-Aids is, or everything first aid, is keep them in Ziploc. So I have a lot of Ziplocs, okay? EpiPens, okay? In our family, we have a lot of children. I mean, all 3 of my children need EpiPen. I need to get one from this other child of mine. But all different size Band-Aids, okay? That's toothpaste is gonna go into the first aid. Gold pack, which Eddie's gonna have to carry this. We got toilet paper. See, toilet paper. We are gonna put these in there. Probably just 1 each, just for food. Tape, medical tape is what. Okay, these are some of the medication that the creams that my son has to have. Yeah. So for the little ones, I'm giving these toothpaste. But for my husband and I, we're going to do the big ones. Okay. Make sure that if you have somebody with medication that has to take medication, that you have medication for them in those 72-hour kits. Okay. Another thing that I have to have. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna do it out of this bag. Okay. Maybe that would be easier. Okay, this is my one son's backpack, and I'll show you the other ones when I'm done with them. Okay. Water. So you probably need to have, I think, 6 bottles of water. Okay. This is the paste, toothbrush, floss. And then we have to have that. Because one child he has retainers that he needs to take care of. Okay. Same child, which is Edison, has to have lotion. See? Moisturizing lotion. And then he has to have hydrocortisone. Okay. And because he does have certain lotion that he needs. Yeah, this works on his face, so I've saved all this lotion for his face. And then we have to have wipes. Wipes is good because there's no water to shower, so you're gonna use wipes to wipe yourself down. Like I said, EpiPen, Benadryl. Got the Benadryl from Costco. These are expired, but they're good. They said they're good as long, but they're not as potent as the ones that are not expired. But you can still use them. Check with your doctor, though. I'm not a doctor. I'm just gonna tell you that. Okay, and so each child's gonna have this one. Has to have, those are cough drops. This is gauze bandage. And then I put in a bag of Band-Aids. They're all different sizes. And if I get more, I will redo it. And then he has to have this. Yeah. So that's the, and so I've only done one bag. I'm working on the other one. Okay. So, and then they have to have 2 pairs of clothes for the boys. My boys do have there's special need boys. So, yeah. So I have that stuff I need to split between my family. This stuff. And then the stuff that's here. I always have to have, because of Edison's skin issue, my son Edison, he has really bad eczema. Yeah, we have to have that. And I just realized both of these are latex. So I have to find the boxes that are not latex. Oh, I just found them. Ooh, good. So I will put, these ones are vinyl. So I don't know if there's allergy reaction. So have to have these in each bag. Okay? So I will show you more later.